go to the Build-A-Bear workshop.
I couldn't be more happy right now. It's the best mini bun ever.
Hello. How's it going?
You excited?
Mall of America.
Alright, which one are we gonna get? Kitty cat's pretty cute.
Who's Midnight Kid?
I like the coconut. The coconut cup.
Midnight Teddy's a little.
Awesome panda.
Oh, he's kind of cute.
Because I feel that it will go well with the white and the blue.
The bunny's cute. No, we're not gonna get a Midnight Teddy.
Yeah, black bears.
The Happy Hugs Teddy's pretty cute. I do not like the Sweet Velvet Teddy. Or the colorful speckled friend.
Oh, there's a little tabby cat. Wow.
I don't like either of those dogs.
Could you get one that's like blue?
Or either of these.
I don't know why you're not letting Hannah decide.
Oh, I like the little lamb.
Lambs don't play baseball.
I'm pretty sure Hannah's gonna like the lamb.
She liked Happy Hugs better than this one.
Really? What about the monkey? Hannah is kind of a monkey. I bet she would like the tuft of hair on top of the head. Yeah, do you like this? Is he your friend? Does his face scare you at all? Oh, she's giving them kisses. That's the display one. We can't take that one home. But you like that one?
Yeah, I think she likes them.
That's so fitting for you, Hannah. You want to do the monkey? Not what I would have picked, but it's Hannah's bear. Are you okay with it?
I guess I'm okay with it. If Hannah's happy, then I'm happy.
You want her to wear a twin shirt?
Yes, she does.
Alrighty. Is there anything else it needs? Does it need some shoes or something? Monkeys don't wear shoes.
Monkeys don't wear shoes.
Don't be crazy. Ready to do this, Hannah? Let's do this.
It's bad it's not a purple one.
Let's go give him a bath. He's dirty. He's a dirty monkey. Can I see a monkey? Oh, he's perfect. Do you like him? Perfect. Love you, monk.